In this question, we are given that in a small snack shop, the average revenue was $400 per day for 10 days period. Now let's write down all the information as we keep on reading the question. So the average revenue for 10 days is equal to $400. We also know that during this period, the average daily revenue was $360 for the first 6 days. So the average revenue for the first 6 days will be equal to $360. We have to find out the average revenue for the remaining 4 days. Now, since this is all the information that we can gather from the question, let's move on to step 2 and understand how to proceed with the solution. Since the question gives us the average revenue for the 10 days, 6 days, we will be using the formula for average, which will be equal to the sum of revenue divided by the number of days. Now, keeping this in mind, we move on to step 3 and calculate the revenue for the 10 days. Now, since the average is $400 and we have to find the sum of revenue for 10 days, the denominator will be the total number of days, which is 10. So from this, the sum of revenue for 10 days is equal to 400 times 10, which is $4,000. Similarly, using the information for average revenue for 6 days, we can find the sum of revenue for 6 days. Now, 360 times 6 is equal to $2160. So we have the sum of revenue for 6 days, and we know that the sum of revenue for 10 days is $4,000. So when we subtract the sum of revenue for 6 days from the sum of revenue for 10 days, we will get the sum of revenue for the remaining 4 days. This will be equal to 4,000 minus $2,160, which gives us $1,840. Now, this is the total revenue for 4 days. To find the average revenue for 4 days, we have to divide 1840 by 4. This will give us $460, which is the option D.